What's up, y'all? I made $1,500 in a week only with Google call options. Shout out to Google. They pay me anyway since I'm a YouTuber. I'm getting all type of notifications. Bitcoin is down and ETH is up. Go figure. All right, so I did it on Robinhood. And the good thing is if you're not involved in my Patreon members get my first notifications when I'm doing a call option, when I'm selling it. It's $20 being a Patreon. I try to update you guys what I bought during a crash. So majority of my Google call options. So people on YouTube get some information late if I decide on sharing it. So right now my portfolio is a little bit over $3,000 after taking out $800 probably like a week ago. About a week ago. Buying power $2,500. So let's go to this Google call option so I can show you guys first what I did. And I'm going to give you the mindset behind it in a second. So, all right. So on November 3rd, I bought 14 contracts. 14 contracts was under $1,000. I like to, right now, since my portfolio is low, I like to do contracts under $1,000. So worst case scenario, I'm going to lose $1,000. So I did this. I'm going to tell you the math behind it, why I chose November the 3rd. So it was $994. And you see the limit price at 71 cents. Yesterday, I sold 13 contracts, all but one, limit price of $1.97. Total of $2,587. So we're just going to say I bought in at $1,000 and I sold at $2,500. So that's over $1,500. And I still have an open position right now. I left one because I'm like, it's going to probably still go up. And if it go up, I still want to at least be in the game. So this one is up $300 and some. So I'm going to probably make $2,000 with this Google call option. Now, I know you're wondering, Orlando, why did you sell? Why did you sell? Because if I would have held that, I would be up probably another $1,000 or $1,100 just from holding it one more day. Come on in, class. So the way the market is right now, one day we having the historic rally of the last 2 years. The next day we having a historic crash of the last 2 years or 5 years. Every day we're getting different information with cryptocurrency. That's going to shit right now with all the drama over there. You have to take profits and take your wins when you can. Unfortunately, none of us know how to time the market perfectly. You know, sometimes we get lucky, but nobody know how to do it. So I was okay. I had my mark. I'm like, look, once I make $1,500 profit, it's worth it. Even though if I miss out on some more, it is what it is because I can take some profit. $1,500 in a week is good money just in one area, and I can reevaluate. So let's go down to the math and science of it. Let's just go to here. So Google, my strike price was like $94, I believe. So I got this on November 3rd, right? Now look at this. What was November 3rd? It is basically Google 52-week low damn near. So when everything is going to hell, I'm like, okay, Google is worth over $100. Bam, it's going to hell. Bad news about Google. Damn, Google went past $90. Going to hell. So I technically timed this part perfectly because everybody bashing. Soon as I bought this on November 3rd, my $1,000 option call went down to $800 within like 20 minutes. Soon as I bought it, it's like, bam, shit, this shit could get wiped out. So mine is high risk, high return because I timed it right. And right after that, you see it started going back up. I assumed it was going to at least hit $100 by the time the contract ends. That's why I'm leaving one option open, and I'm going to reevaluate and go to the next one. So I did it on Robinhood, and another thing you can do if you're new to doing call options is you can do an option watch list. So this is one option I was going to do, but I'm like, let me just do a watch list to see how much I would have made. So this was a Netflix call, It expired December 2nd, and it's worth $3,200, and it's up $600. So I would technically make money, but I couldn't justify me doing $3,000 for Netflix because I would be mad at myself if it go all the way down. But I seen this was an opportunity, and this one I still wouldn't pull out because it's like, okay, I'm only up $600, which is good, but not good enough for this instance. So you can try to like look at some examples of what you could do. I had this one when I was just learning. This one about to expire in a few days. This is damn near going to zero. This is only $157 contract, and I'm down on 149, so I got $8. So I'm just gonna let it ride at this point. But it's like an inverted type of deal. So if everything, my Google and everything would have crashed, this possibly would have went up. So it'd be like that sometimes. If you guys want to see, hold on, was you guys able to see my screen just a minute ago? Hope so. Hope y'all was able to see my screen. But if you are interested in call options, I really only let my Patreon members know because it's high risk, high return. It's not something the greatest to really promote. Oh, we got a package here. So something I don't always promote. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you need some free stocks, you can get some stocks with Robinhood. Just click the link in the bio, get you some free stocks. Lando says, talk to you guys soon. While I'm editing this, eating some pizza. Also, why I sold is because I currently own Google stock. So even if I sold them and it go up, I'm still making money because I own Google stock. And I'm going to keep on buying Google stock. I'm going to probably take some of my profits, buy some more Google stocks because I'm bullish on them. You're welcome.